everyone, my name is Stevie and welcome back to Curator's Corner. So today we are going to be talking about one of my favorite collections here at the Gilb Museum, which is the Riyo Sato collection. So the Riyo Sato collection is 37 sketches that were drawn by Riyo Sato herself during her time at the Japanese Assembly Center in 1942. So these sketches are pretty significant and very special and unique, and we really would like to thank Pam Hashimoto and her family for donating them to the museum in 2014. So these sketches are really amazing because they show a glimpse of life of how it was for Riyo Sato and the other Japanese Americans that were located at the Japanese Assembly Center during World War II. And so before we get started with learning about these sketches and taking a glimpse of some of them, just like the one we have right behind me today, I want to tell you guys a little bit about Riyo Sato herself.
Before being at the Assembly Center, Riyo Sato was born on June 4th, 1913 in Palo Alto, California, and was the second oldest of 4 children. She graduated from Palo Alto High School in 1931 and then attended and graduated from the California College of Arts and Crafts. After college, she took on a job in San Francisco working with President Roosevelt's Works Progress Administration, assisting mural artists. But then World War II hit. She and her family were taken to the Santa Anita Assembly Center on May 26, 1942, and would be there for 3.5 months while being processed. Then they were taken to Hart Mountain Relocation Center near Cody, Wyoming, where she spent a year. While she was there, she became a teacher and worked with the kids at Hart Mountain. After the war, she decided to pursue a career in teaching in 1954. She contacted a mentor and he paved her way and secured her an art teaching position at Garfield Elementary School and later taught at Roosevelt High School. She retired from teaching in June 1984. One thing Riyo Sato did enjoy, just like most of us do, is travel. Her travels took her to China, Tibet, Mongolia, Russia, South Africa, Philippines, India, Australia, you name it, she probably went there. She even went to the Arctic Circle. During her travels, she was an avid photographer and had an extensive collection of photographs, slides, masks, textiles from all her travels. She shared all of her treasures with her students during her years teaching and enjoyed her life till the very end at the age of 96 on October 10, 2009.
So now we are going to have the opportunity to see some of these amazing sketches made by Riyo Sato here in our collection. So the first one I wanted to show you all is this piece, which is one of her colorful pieces.
This sketch depicts lines of laundry in front of a long, low building. There are people in the shade and others leaning over the basin, likely washing clothes.
The following piece that I want to show you guys is this one here.
This sketch depicts a group of men and women sitting on or standing next to a low tree branch. More tree branches hanging overhead. Power lines and chain link fence is visible in the background.
And the last sketch I wanted to share with you all is this one.
In this sketch, it depicts a couple and child standing in front of a chain link fence topped with barbed wire. They look onto the crowd of people in the background lining up beside what appears to be a train car. The scene may depict the transport of people from the Assembly Center to Hart Mountain Relocation Center, where Riyo Sato and her family were ultimately sent.
So I hope you guys all enjoyed the sketches today from the Riyo Sato collection. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to let us know. So we hope to see you guys at the next Curator's Corner. Bye!